Hey, this is Marcus. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track your conversions in GA4 by using thank you pages. If you're not familiar with the thank you page concept, it's very simple. When someone purchases something or fill up a form, in this case, once the form is filled, they will be redirected to my thank you page. And in my thank you page, it's a good place to say thank you first, and maybe you can ask them something else. But it's also easy for us to track this conversion because we only need to count how many times this page is loaded to see how many conversions we got. So let's do this in GA4. So the first thing you have to do before going into GA4 is open the thank you page that you have and copy this section of the URL. I'm going to copy it because I'm going to need it. And you have to do it in two steps. The first step is you need to create the event, and then you need to tell to GA4 that this event is a conversion. So let's do this. So go to the admin section because it has moved, and you go into the event section, and we're going to create a new one. Actually, I'm not going to save it because it's already here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's say I want to do it again. I'm going to call it, I don't know, service demo. And so what are the matching conditions to fire this event? So first of all, I want the event name be the page view, okay? And then, but I don't want to track every single page view. I want to track the page view only if the page location contains this part. Thank you, we got your service request. In fact, the page location is the whole URL, including HTTPS. In my case, I want to trigger the event when only this section is in the URL. Okay, so now this is done. The event will get fired, but you can do more if you want. It's optional, but you can do it. I'm going to show you. So you can say to GA4, by the way, this event is worth money to me. So you add a modification and you will put the parameter. It's going to be value, and let's say this is worth $100. And you can also say to GA4, well, and the currency of this $100, since I'm Canadian, I'm going to put CAD. But if you're American, you can put USD. It doesn't matter. And when you're done, you click on create and it will get created. I'm not going to do that because, like I said, I already have this event. This event, I call it, in my case, service lead demo. Here, I mean, the only difference is that I didn't specify that has to be a page view. I just say, well, if the page location contains my thank you page, create the event. Okay. Now that you have the event, you need to go under conversion. And now you have two options. You can wait 24 hours, and so the event will appear there and you will mark it as a conversion event. I think you can even do this here. See, you can say mark as a conversion. Or if you want to do it right away, you will, let's say, remove this one, it disappear. I'm going to create a new conversion event, and you just paste the name of your conversion. In my case was service lead demo, and you click save, and now this event is now a conversion, and we can test it now. So if we go under reports and real time, and I'm gonna go into here, oops, not here, here, and let's test this page. It was, thank you, I don't remember, yeah, thank you, we got your service request. Now the page is loaded. We don't have to do the private browsing thing, but I'm gonna refresh this, and we should see that there is a new visit here. There's a visitor that is just logged in, and we see the conversion appears. So it's working. So that's it for now. It's very easy. Just go and do track your conversion. And if you have any question, well, let me know in the comments. Thank you.